Being able to get a Bronco and enjoy the open air is going to come at a price. The Ford Bronco broke the internet when it was released last summer, but after it initially faded, talk shifted to the number of options available for prospective buyers of this beautiful Bronco. Now, while all the vehicles will come with a hardtop from the factory, there are future plans for the soft top and the modular hardtop, although the former comes with some red tape. Now, the ability to transform your Bronco into an open air, fresh Bronco so you can enjoy the cool breeze comes at the cost of wiring and plumbing to the rear end. This means customers will lose the rear wipers, the rear defroster, and the rear washer. However, for those who want to have their cake and eat it too, the dual top option will come with rear end functionality. Now, thankfully, if you're unsure about the drop tops, you'll have quite a bit of time to make a decision, as to both of these roofs are delayed to 2022. Now, we also be remiss not to mention that this isn't the first time the Bronco has experienced roof-related delays. Now, last year, the Blue Oval was forced to delay production of the 2021 Bronco due to this issue with suppliers. Now, delays and setbacks aside, it's clear that the Bronco has been well received by the public, of course, with many new and improved iterations planned, such as the 2022 Bronco Warthog, which is going to be a hell of an expensive SUV, but it's going to be worth its weight in gold. Now, it's clear that this isn't a one and done affair for the Ford Motor Company. Along with a plethora of options available from the factory, we can't wait to see what it's going to look like. Just imagine all the configurations that buyers can come up with. This whole SUV is built upon modulation. And folks, this is just straight up awesome. I mean, the modulation is just going to be off the chain, and personalization is going to be the next hype. Just awesome, folks. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe. And boy, oh boy, yes, this machine is definitely going to come at a price. Enjoying the nature and enjoying that fresh air, it's going to come. All luxury pays. And have an awesome day. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.